Dru Buritica from Canoe Brook Country Club. I've been working in the club for over 20 years. I'll be showing you how to make a smoked chocolate Manhattan today. We're gonna start working with some fresh ice. We're gonna do half an ounce of sweet vermouth. We're also gonna add a little bit of half an ounce of Averna Amaro. We're gonna be using a Woodford Reserve Double Oak. Couple of drops of chocolate bitters, and we also gonna add a Luxardo cherry marinated in cognac for over 3 months. We're gonna stir, we're not gonna shake. We're gonna also get a big ice cube. Instead of using regular ice, we're gonna use a golf ball ice cube. We're gonna pour. We're gonna garnish it with some orange twist and a cherry. And before we garnish it, we're gonna smoke it with some cherry wood. We're gonna use a little bit of cherry chips on it. We're not gonna put some torch at fire. Just a little bit. And we're gonna garnish it with some orange twist and a Luxardo cherry. We're gonna start with the Luxardo cherry and a nice orange twist. And this is one of our signature cocktails on Canoe Brook. Now we're going to be making a spicy margarita. It's actually a cocktail that's popular all over the club all year round. We're going to be making it with some Fortaleza tequila. We're going to be pouring 2 ounces of Fortaleza. It's a silver. We're going to be adding a little bit of Grand Marnier. And on this glass, we're gonna add some jalapenos, some fresh jalapenos. We're gonna squeeze 3-4 limes, which is lemons. And to this, we're gonna add smoky chili bitters. I'm gonna muddle everything together. We're gonna add the ice with the reposado and the Grand Marnier. We're gonna get a little bit sour mix. It's a nice fresh lemon sour. And we're gonna shake. Leave it right there. We're gonna get a nice wine glass for the margaritas. We're gonna rim it with some agave. Only half a glass. We're gonna use a little bit of smoky sea salt, and we're gonna, with all the jalapenos in the seeds, it's extra spicy. And we're gonna garnish it with a lime wheel and a whole half of the jalapeno on it. And this is our spicy margarita Canoe Brook Country Club.